Step into your channel once again. Hi viewers, friends and well-wishers. This is your Santosh. Now we are going to discuss about the problem connected to simplification. So this video is nothing but simplification done simple in the easiest manner. So this is meant for 7th, 8th, 9th students for various Olympiads and regular board syllabus. Let us go through it now. The simplified form of the expression. This is the expression given. So ABCD options are given. The numerator and denominator here. So we have to simplify this expression. So I am going to discuss in a good way this one. So let us go through it now. So if you observe carefully the numerator, in the first term of the numerator, again here the numerator, you have y power 4 minus x power 4. So instead of writing all step to step together, I am going to consider only this part. So solution follows now. Consider y power 4 minus x power 4. This can be written as now y square minus x square. So y square is nothing but y square whole square minus x square whole square. So y power 4 minus x power 4. Y power 4 is y square whole square minus x square whole square. The basic law of exponent a power m whole power n, a power mn. So for the two terms have been applied. Again, it is in the form of a square minus b square. A square minus b square. A is y square and b is x square. Now I can write here y square minus x square into y square plus x square, where a is y square and b is x square. Next, again, this takes the form of a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. So now y plus x into y minus x into y square plus x square. So this is the final simplification of y power 4 minus x power 4. This we are going to substitute here. Now let us consider over the given expression here. Now consider only the numerator part, this part. So I can write now y power 4 minus x power 4 by x of x plus y minus y cube by x. Now this can be written as here y power 4 minus x power 4 is nothing but I got here y plus x into y minus x into y square plus x square by x into x plus y. Okay, here this part I have been substituted. Next, minus y cube by x. So this is nothing but this will be cancelled here, x plus y and x plus y. The leftover part we are going to simplify. Here if you observe carefully two terms, I am going to consider the LCM part here now. So that is nothing but y minus x into y square plus x square minus y cube by x. After cancellation, x is a LCM, that is a direct step. Now multiplying term by term this expression, now the numerator here y square into y, y cube, y into x square, so nothing but x square y. Next, minus x y square minus x into x square is minus x cube by x. Okay, this is minus y cube, I didn't written, so minus y cube. So y cube minus y cube is 0. And if you observe carefully, the leftover terms 1, 2, 3 terms, I can take x as common, so that x of xy minus y square minus x square by x. Since the operation is multiplication, I can cancel. The leftover part is xy minus y square minus x square. So this is the major part. Only the numerator part has been simplification has been done. Which part? This part. Okay. So this part I got, this one. Okay. Now I am going to consider the whole expression. What is our whole expression? Therefore my expression is nothing but I am going to write y power 4 minus x power 4 by x of x plus y minus y cube by x divided by y square minus xy plus x square. This is my given expression. So what I got the numerator? Xy minus y square minus x square. So xy minus y square minus x square. Since it divided symbol, I am going to write by. So nothing but here y square minus xy plus x square. So this is the numerator part. This I got. Finally numerator by denominator, this one. So now the students get doubt here. They are unlike terms here. Numerator and denominator are different. They are not same. Okay. So here plus y square you have minus y square. Here plus x square minus x square minus xy, and here it is plus xy. So in order to cancel our numerator and denominator, only the signs are different here. So let us change the signs by considering minus as common. So minus as common I am going to consider. We know that according to Badamas rule, okay, I can write now minus xy plus y square plus x square by y square minus xy plus x square. So writing in an order, the numerator and denominator minus of x square plus y square minus xy and x square plus y square minus xy. So now they are same with respect to the terms along with their signs. So get cancel ones and ones. So minus 1 by 1 nothing but minus 1. So in this way this problem can be evaluated. If you observe carefully here, this one, instead of taking the LCM immediately the numerator in the first step, I have been considered this part. Okay, I have been simplified. So this is nothing but your algebraic identities a square minus b square applied twice. Okay, next again I have been applied here, that I have been substituted. Next taken LCM after cancellation, this I got. This is only the numerator part. So this is nothing but this part only. Now numerator by denominator here, numerator by denominator I have been substituted. Since the signs are different, taking minus as common, according to Badamas rule the signs will change. So cancellation, at last I got minus 1 as the answer. So this is nothing but minus 1. So minus 1. So this is a problem has been asked in NTSC 2016-17. So one more problem related to our NTSC. So you can have the look. So please viewers, don't be afraid by seeing the question. Read the question, go through once or twice. Okay, I hope that you like the video a lot. After watching the video, please like, share, subscribe our channel, Square Maths YouTube channel. This is your Santosh signing out.